How to save a Google Doc as PDF. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process for that, which is super easy. Saving a Google Doc as a PDF is super easy. And here's how you can do it. So you can open up Google Doc for that. Let's head over to a browser and type in Google Doc. Just type in Google Doc. Hit enter and you will be finding Google Doc online workspace. You can head over there and open it up and sign in if you're not signed in as well. After that, what you can do is you can just head over and make sure that your document is ready and finalized, that you would like to, download as a PDF. After that, go to the file option at the top, select it, and you can hover over to the option called download here. This option right here, and we can directly find an option called PDF document.pdf and click on it. And what it will do is your document will now download to your computer as a PDF directly at the top. You can find it up and open up the file location. After that, find report.pdf, and there we go. Now the PDF version is available here. You can scroll down and view your PDF directly on your screen. Just head over and follow this method for that. And if you want it saved in your Google Drive as a PDF instead of downloading, what we can do is we can close this up, go to the space, look out for the file option in the top, select it, and select the option of print instead. So if you find the option of print here, you can just go over and print it. Let's say share, email, or download, and even look out for the print option here and print it up. And once you print it up, you can select the option of PDF and then, go ahead and save it on your device. And that's it. But usually these two are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to go ahead and save a Google Doc as PDF, which is super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.